Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-DN mounted in a NEMA-4X enclosure. Comes with a 9-foot outdoor rated power cord and also a fully adjustable piezo buzzer for end of period. The environmentally sealed switches are mounted to the front lid of this enclosure, which gives you access to setting and resetting the timer. To set it, simply make sure that it's stopped, obviously, and we can just set the minutes by pressing the minutes once, press it again to stop. Same for the seconds, press the seconds once, again to stop. Go ahead and stop, and that starts your timer. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. I'm going to reset it to the last value, which was at 4 minutes and 4 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and, you don't have to do that to reset it to 0, but I'm going to go ahead and show you reset to 0 and then to give you a demonstration of the buzzer at the end. I'm going to set it for 5 seconds. Go ahead and start it. And it will flash and the buzzer will sound. And you can adjust that. As you can tell, that got louder or softer as I turned the adjustment. I'm going to go ahead and reset the last value and you're ready to go again. You can just start, hit start, and then stop. Once it reaches 0, you can just do reset again after the buzzer sounded. Ready to go again for another period. To mount it, you have to remove the front cover, and then each corner there's access to mounting holes for the rear. So there's mounting holes to mount it to a wall, or you can do a desk mount like we have right now. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and it's a DC-25T-DN mounted in a NEMA-4X enclosure. Thanks for watching.